Hello, this is Matthews. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're watching, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today we are looking at the midpoint of 2 points. A midpoint can be a point at or near the center. The center or middle. For example, when you are given a point like this one, let's try to draw a graph here. This is the x-axis, y-axis. Then we draw like a graph here. Here we have x comma y. Here we have x comma y. So we have to find the point here. The general formula for this is x1 plus x2 over 2, since it is at the middle. So we're looking at two parts. And for ym equals y1 minus plus y2 over 2. This is the general formula. Example, they are saying for a, find the midpoint of 1, 3, 4 close and 5, 2, and for number 2 we have -2, -1 and 4, -4. So let's try to find the solution. Solution for number 1, first we have to take the points. So the points are 3, 4 and 5, 2. So this is the x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's try to write down the general formula. We have xm equals x1 plus x2 over 2. And for y, we have ym equals y1 plus y2 over 2. So let's substitute now. Where there is x1 we put 3, which is 3 plus 5 over 2. And for y, m equals y1, it's y1 is 4 plus 2 over 2. So this is 3 plus 5, which is 8 over 2. and the ym equals 4 plus 2, which is 6 over 2, so which is equals to 4 and the 3. Therefore the midpoint are 4, 3. Final answer. Question number 2. We have the point -2, -1 and the 4, -4. So let's try. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So now let's try to write the formula. We have xm equals x1 plus x2 over 2, and for y, m equals y1 plus y2 over 2. So let's substitute now. We are going to have x1, it's a -2 plus 4 over 2, and the ym equals y1, we have -1 plus -4 over 2. So here we are going to have, which is the 2 over 2, and here ym equals 1 positive times negative, which is -4 over 2. So this is same as here 1, and here it's here it is negative, which will be -5 over 2. So therefore the midpoints are 1, if you divide 2 into 5, which is the two whole number, 1 over 2. This is the midpoint for that particular question. Example number B. If we have 2, 1 is the midpoint of A, B, where A is -3, 2. So now they are saying find the coordinate of B. So here we are given the midpoint. The midpoint is this one, and the other point is this one. So we have to find the point. It's a xm equals x1 plus x2 over 2, and the ym equals y1 plus y2 over 2. Since the midpoint of the both we are given, for x we have -2, xm we have 2, and ym we have 1. So for x2 we have -2 equals x1, we have this one, -3. So here we are going, it will be -3 plus the x2 over 2. Then 2 times this one, so it's going to be -3 plus the x2 equals, when we multiply this one times this one, it will be -4. So now x2 equals -4 plus 3. The answer is going to be -1. And for y, we have ym equals y1 plus y2 over 2. So for ym we have 1 equals y1 it's 2 plus y2 over 2. So when we multiply 2 times this one, it's going to be here 2 plus y2 equals 2 times 1, which is 2. y2 equals 2. So since we have x2 we have -1, and for y2 we have 0. So therefore the point for b is -1, 0. This is the point for b. So this is the final answer. So since we have x2 we have -1, and for y2 we have 0. So therefore the point for b is -1, 0. This is the point for b. So this is the final answer.